Hello, grade 3s and any grade 2s who decided to come along for the ride. So I'm going to teach a new method of multiplying today that I think will be very helpful. It worked really well for the kids at my last school, and I think that it'll be good for you. However, you need to have your skip counting memorized. Otherwise, this method is not going to be very easy for you at all. If you do, though, it's a snap. So let's just review really quickly how to count by 3s and 4s, because those are the ones that I know you don't know super well yet, unless you've been practicing. I hope you've been practicing. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by 3s. Pause the video and practice if you need to. I don't mind, I'll wait. By 4s, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. I really hope that you've got these. If so, this method is going to be super simple for you, all right? So let's take a couple of multiplication questions here, okay? Let's start with 6 times 5. Now, how you do it is this. The first number is how many fingers you put up, and the second number is what you count by, all right? So let's take the example 6 times 5. So the 6 is the first number. Let's put up 6 fingers. Here they are. The second number is a 5, and so we are going to count by 5s, all right? I will wiggle each finger as I count, and whatever number we end on will be our answer. Let's try it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 6 times 5 then is 30. I'm sorry, I can't write out that direction, so I'm just going to turn it around. So 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, so as you can see, that's pretty simple if you can skip count. And I know you can all count by 5s and 10s and 2s. So now let's do one that has counting by 4s. We have 7 times 4. 7 times 4. So again, the first number is how many fingers you need to put up, and the second number is what you count by, which in this case is 4. So let's try that together as well. So 7 fingers, and we count by 4s this time. So follow along behind me if you can't remember. Ready? So we've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 7 times 4 equals 28. Here we go. See how simple that is? It's just counting on your fingers, but you're skip counting on your fingers, and you get the answer like that, right? Our final one here is 3 times 3. Now in this one, they're both the same. 3 fingers and count by 3s. Again, if you're not familiar, follow me on the board behind. All right, let's count by 3s now. 3, 6, 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Now, if you were going through this quickly and you decided 3 times 3 is 6, remember, we're not adding, we're multiplying, okay? So that is how you multiply on your fingers. As you can see, it's very, very simple. This is something that anyone can do as long as you can skip count. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 6 questions to try on your own today. Use the same method as I did. And tomorrow I will have the answers on our video of the day. Remember, the first number is how many fingers. The second number is what you skip count by. So just to review here, these are the questions that I would like you to answer for tomorrow. So the first question is 6 times 4. The 6 is how many fingers, and the 4 is what you skip count. 9 times 2, 9 fingers, count by 2s. 7 times 3, 7 fingers, count by 3s. 8 times 5, 8 fingers, count by 5. Now this one, don't be confused by 10 times 1, 10 fingers, count by 1s. That's just regular counting. You might be surprised by the answer. And finally, 5 times 10. 5 fingers and then count by 10s. Don't be intimidated by the double digit there. You know how to count by 10s really well. That's not hard for any of you. So 5 fingers, count by 10. So write these down, pause the video and write them down, try them out and see tomorrow if you can get the correct answer. I hope that you will find this helpful. We'll review it tomorrow. In the meantime, keep skip counting and try this out. Have a great day.